Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if customers are adding products to their cars but not completing the checkout, you are obviously leaving money on the table. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you basically all of them steps so we can actually recover abandoned carts in Wix in 2026 version. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, you should open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go to your favorite browser and look for Wix.com. After this, you're just gonna go and basically log in this Wix website using your email address and password, then they're gonna take you to this new dashboard. As for now, we should basically go and check these settings here so we can actually access marketing and SEO, so we can basically set up some automations. So we're gonna go all the ways, SEO settings, website settings, domains, manage plan, and all of this, website performance, site member. Okay, let's go for example for this SEO settings. So as you see here, you have website SEO and geo, site speed, uptime and security, and all of this. The main pages, okay, let's go for the main pages. As you see here, there is this home. We have more actions and all of this. So basically, if you didn't basically see it, you can also access it from this marketing home. You will be able to see coupons, referral programs, social marketing, email marketing, and even much more options. We can also basically go through this customers and leads, abandoned carts. We're gonna tap it from this customers and leads. Now we can basically access automation, make sure it's active, email visitors to recover abandoned carts, basically turn this to active from inactive to active. Now the automation is fully active. You can even basically check these settings, active, view MS chats, you can even edit it if you want to, and all of this. So basically that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.